Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your WooCommerce store with FedEx. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website or whatever platform you're using for hosting your WooCommerce store. Most often it's going to be WordPress. You're going to go ahead and open up WordPress.com right here, and from there you're going to go and be greeted by this homepage. From there you can go ahead and access your plugin section right here on the left side of the screen. If you have not already set up your store, you can set up your WooCommerce store using the WooCommerce plugins, and now we can begin. So to integrate your WooCommerce store you have set up with FedEx, you're going to go to the official WooCommerce website right here, WooCommerce.com, and open up the extensions marketplace at the top of the screen. From here you're going to go and be able to take a look at all the extensions that you can access and use for your store, and what we're going to do is use the search bar right here and search for FedEx. By searching for FedEx guys, you can see the first result is going to be right here, the FedEx shipping method, and this is going to enable us to get shipping rates from the FedEx API, which handles both domestic and international parcels. So here you can go and take a look at the price of the extension. You can choose a billing option, a 1-year plan or a 2-year plan, and then you can buy it. Once you've bought it and you want to add it to your store, you're going to go and be able to follow the steps once you open up the extension and integrate it with the WooCommerce store that you have set up right here in your WordPress, and just like that you can go ahead and combine those two platforms and integrate one with another. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.